Hello everyone, my name is Ashiki. At first I'd like to say that please guys subscribe my channel. Okay, so today I'm going to discuss some interesting GK questions. Okay, so now let's get started. Question number 1. Puju wants to separate the following materials as combustible and non-combustible substance. Can you help him? Charcoal, chalk, stone, iron rod, straw, cardboard, glass, paper, candle, and copper coin. Okay, so the answer is incombustible substance, charcoal, straw, cardboard, paper, and candle, and in non-combustible substance, chalk, stone, iron rod, copper coin, and glass. Okay, the next question. If you hold a piece of iron with a pair of tongs inside a candle flame or a Bunsen burner flame, what will you observe? Will it produce a flame? Okay, so the answer is iron piece will become red hot and glow. It will not produce a flame. Okay, the next question. The calorific value of petrol and CNG are 45,000 kilojoules per kg and 50,000 kilojoules per kg respectively. If you have vehicle which can run on petrol as well as CNG, which fuel will you prefer and why? Okay, so the answer is we will prefer CNG or compressed natural gas because the calorific value of CNG is higher than that of petrol. Therefore, CNG will be more economical. CNG will produce larger amount of heat energy than petrol. All at the same time, it produces the least air pollutants. Okay, the next question. What are the characteristics of an ideal fuel? Okay, so the answer is characteristics of an ideal fuel. Point number 1, it is readily available, cheap, and can easily be transported. And number 2, it burns easily, has higher calorific value, and does not leave behind any undesirable substance. Okay, the next question. When the clothes of a person catch fire, the person is covered with a blanket to extinguish the fire. Why? Okay, so the answer is when the clothes of a person catch fire, the person is covered with a blanket to extinguish the fire because blanket cuts off the supply of oxygen that is the supporter of fire. Okay, the next question, why is it very difficult to control forest fire? Okay, so the answer is during hot summer days at some places dry grass catches fire. It is because the heat is sufficient to attain ignition temperature of grass. From grass it spreads to trees and very soon the whole forest is on fire. It is called forest fire. It is very difficult to control forest fire as fire spreads at very high speed and in very large area. It is difficult to control it. Okay, the next question. Two paper cups, one with water in it and one empty, are heated carefully on a candle flame. Question number 1. What will happen to both the cups? Okay, so the answer is the cup containing water will not burn, whereas the empty paper cup will burn rapidly. Okay, the second question, why will this happen? Okay, so the answer is because the heat supplied to the paper cup is presence of water, the ignition temperature of paper is not attained. Hence, it does not burn. On the other hand, the empty paper ignition temperature is low and it burns rapidly. Okay, the next question, why is water used by fire brigade to extinguish fire? Okay, so the answer is water is used by fire brigade to extinguish fire as water cools the combustible material so that its temperature is brought below the ignition temperature. This prevents the fire from spreading. Okay, the next question. Although wood has a very high calorific value, we still discourage the use of it. Why? Okay, so the answer is burning of wood has several disadvantages. These are as follows. Number 1. Burning of wood produces a lot of smoke which causes rapid destruction. Number 2. The cutting down of trees to obtain wood fuel leads to deforestation which is very harmful to the environment. Third one, trees provide us many useful substances to obtain fuel wood when trees are cut down. These all useful substances which can be obtained are lost. Okay, the next question. Write an experiment to show that air is necessary for burning of a candle. Okay, so the answer is to show that air is necessary for burning a candle. Number 1. Fix a lighted candle on a table. Number 2. Put a glass chimney over the candle in such a way that air can enter in the chimney. We find that the candle burns freely. Now, fix a glass chimney in a way that no air enters in the glass. Next one, the flame flickers and produces smoke. And finally, the flame finally goes off because the air is not available. It is already used by the candle to burn. So, this concludes that air is necessary for burning a candle. Okay, so today's video ends here. I hope everyone enjoyed all the questions. If you like my today's video, then please like and comment my video. And also subscribe my channel to listen to more so interesting questions and also to follow all my videos regularly. And don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.